Alright, back in the shop, back working on these door panels. Right now I'm working on getting the speaker rings to fit right. Had some issues when I did the resin work on them. Still got to clean out the holes for the tweeters. That was my mistake. I shouldn't have went that far in. Another issue, if you look right here, we got a hole. I wasn't able to get down in there and get it stapled real good. So that material pulled on me. So I'm going to have to go back and fix that. Still got some sanding to do on this one. And I still haven't cleaned these out. But as you can see, it don't fit. I messed up. I mean, you know, that's part of it. They're coming along slowly but surely. So I'm going to get back cleaning these holes out, getting these rings to fit, and we're going to try and get some fiberglass done. Okay, we got us a door panel ready for fiberglass. Finally. Everything fits good. Speaker covers fit good. Door handle, everything. This one behind me, of course you can tell it slipped over upside down. I went back and hit the outside edge of the fleece with resin. I didn't do it before. Don't really know why. I may have just forgotten about it, but I did this one first. It's already dry, ready to go. This one's still drying. Got a little bit longer. When I fiberglassed this door panel, along with that one, because it had a few issues too. When I fiberglass these, you're probably going to see me skip some places. I'm doing that on purpose. Like where the hole in this one is, from where the fabric pulled on me, I'm going to glass inside of the door panel first in that area. That way I've got something to support so I can get my shape right on the outside. It's a tight fit. I mean, there's 7 speakers, 8 3 6.5s, and 3 tweeters in these doors. And it's a lot of speakers to be shoving in that small of an area. Not to mention, I'm sanding all this stuff by hand because, well, you can't get a DA in there. Any kind of sander for that. But it's taken me a while. Not to mention, this is probably the most complex piece I've ever built with fiberglass. So, bear with me. We're slowly but steadily making progress on these door panels. So I'm going to jump on this, start fiberglassing. When I get done with this one, hopefully that one will be dry enough. We can flip it over and do it. And then when all that dries, we will, you can see on this one, I got a little hole cut when I was test fitting some pieces, but we'll cut the back out and we'll start doing some glass work on the inside. And we'll go from there, see how things turn out. Well, here's the door panels so far. I still got to sand the outside of them, but the outside of it's been glassed. Of course, you can actually see through the back side now. I went ahead and cut the back out. There's the other one. And here's a shot of the back side. as you can see, I went ahead and started doing some glass work on the inside. Still got to clean it up some. And up here, the reason I cut this so high, we are going to use these door panels, or these door handles. It is a very tight fit, but they will clear. I'm going to have to come up with some kind of bracket in the door for everything to hook up, but we're going to use those. Like I said, they fit. There's a shot of the other one. Of course, I've made a huge mess with all this fiberglassing, but you know, that's another thing. It's just how it goes sometimes. So I'm gonna finish up fiberglassing on the inside, and then we will start getting everything cleaned up, trying to get our shape, doing our body work done. We started sanding on our door panels. This one I had to go back and touch a few places up. That's where that hole was right there. Got it filled back in. Had another one, small one right there, and a couple other little places. So far, it's coming out pretty good. Like I said before, due to all the curves, you know, it's being a pain in the butt. Of course, around this corner, I had a few issues. And then the other door panel is over here. Had to go back and touch a few places up. Also had a small hole there. I mixed up too much resin, so I just kind of brushed it on. It'll help fill in some of those low spots. Had to build this corner up a little bit. So I promise you guys, I am going to finish these door panels one day. I know it seems like it's taking me forever, and well, it kind of is. But you also got to realize that this is not my full-time job. This is something I do on the side. Maybe one day it'll be my full-time job, but not yet. So I'm going to get back to sanding on these things, and we'll go from there. But we are making progress. So these door panels are absolutely kicking my butt. This one right behind me, it's ready to be sanded again. Unfortunately, I'm out of time for this week. This one back here, I know it's hard to see because of the sun outside, but that one just got done going back over a few places. Found some air pockets that I had to get out. Got that took care of. It is fiberglassed again, drying again, but we'll have to wait till next week to do anything else. I promise we're going to finish these door panels in one day. I know it's taking forever. Like I said, though, I don't do this full time. This is something I do on the side. Hoping one day I can do it full time. But as of right now, just doing it when I can. Hopefully next week we'll make some more progress. We made a lot of progress this week on these things, really. Got the back cut out, got the inside glass. You know, everything, made sure everything's going to fit, door handles and all. But if you like the video, like the build, want to see more of it, want to see me stuff speakers in some more door panels, because I still got to do the back, consider subscribing, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. See y'all next time.